This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for Step 1. Start by taking a baseline NBME or UWorld self-assessment to identify your weakest subjects. Build a weekly schedule that balances focused review, spaced repetition, and timed practice questions. Prioritize active recall using flashcards and question banks, and review incorrect items daily. Gradually increase simulated exam length to build endurance and refine pacing for test day. Choose one main question bank and make it the backbone of your study plan, focusing on explanation analysis for each question. Pair it with a concise review book to refresh core concepts without overwhelming detail. Create spaced repetition flashcards for high-yield facts and review them multiple times per week to cement memory. Track performance trends and adjust resource emphasis based on persistent weak areas and practice exam results. If you find this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more useful videos. Quick recommendation: I use leak-proof meal prep containers to bring ready meals and avoid study time spills, which keeps focus and saves money. They stack neatly in a backpack and cut down on cleanup between study blocks. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on active recall by solving questions and teaching concepts aloud rather than passive reading. Regularly simulate exam conditions with timed blocks and full-length practice tests to build stamina and pacing. After each practice session, review incorrect questions in depth and create targeted mini-review sheets for recurring weak topics. Balance intense study days with scheduled rest to prevent burnout and maintain steady progress toward mastery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.